Hello everyone, this is Namrata Doshi. Welcome to my channel Tech Savvy Andy. In today's video, I will show you how you can customize your right-click menu on desktop or context desktop menu in Windows. Here you can see that on right-clicking on the desktop, you can find various options by default in your Windows. In today's video, I will show you how to add or delete any application on right-click menu. If you are using any application frequently, then you can add it on right-click menu. So you can use this app easily and quickly, and it saves your time as well. For that, you have to customize your windows and have to do some changes in registry editor. So let's start. So first of all, in search box, you have to type regedit, or you can type registry editor. Click on that and click on yes. Now you can see that registry editor has been opened. So you have to click on key classes root. You have to expand that. On that you have to find directory. This is directory. You have to expand it. Then expand background. Then expand shell. In shell you will find this kind of CMD and PowerShell option. Maybe in your PC some other option will be there. So you have to right click on shell, then click on new, then click on key. So here you can give name of application you use frequently. So here I am giving name Zoom because I use this application for my webinar and online meetings frequently. So now we are right clicking on desktop. You can see that here Zoom has been added successfully. Now if you do right click on desktop, you can see that Zoom application has already been added here. If you want to give it any other name, then go to registry again, and on clicking on Zoom, right click on Zoom, it is here option of rename. Then you can rename it by any other name also. Now if you open Zoom, you will see this error because we have only added shortcut but not added any or given any path to open the Zoom application. To give the path to the Zoom, you need to right click on the Zoom, then again click on new, then again click on key and rename it as command. And on right side you can see key value name as default value and value is not set yet. So we have to set value means we have to give file location path. You have to find location when the app is installed in PC. So right click on it, right click on default and modify. So you can see that value data. Here we have to give the path of the application. To copy the path, you have to search the application in search box. I will search Zoom and right click on it. Open file location and again right click on it and click on properties. So you can see that in shortcut target, here is the location of the file. You have to just copy it and paste it on default modify. You have to just paste it. Now click on OK. So now we will check whether after clicking right click the Zoom is opening or not. So you can see that you can see that Zoom is opening. Here you can see that in same process I have added Chrome and added a command. So I will add its path by clicking on default, right click, modify, and will paste Chrome path. But you have to just remember that in copying any file location you have to exclude this double inverted comma. So I am removing it from end and from starting. Then click on OK. So now you can see that Chrome has been added to right click and it is opening as well. So like this way you can add various applications on right click menu. You can add Google Chrome also, or MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Notepad, or any other application you can add. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can, and press notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.